Hey, it's me again, Phil. I bet you remember me from the How to Measure video. Now, before you start installing, please watch this.
Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your blinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 10 to 20 minutes for this installation. For large blinds over 2.5 meters, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean. Then scan the QR code on your product box, which will take you to the DIYBlinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page. If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390. Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder. Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you'll need to pre-drill the holes and use the screws provided. If you're drilling into plaster, you have two options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs are. Your second option is to use ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your blinds brackets to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. When it comes to deciding which side you want the chain to be on, it's best to remind yourself by looking at your email receipt. Once you're 100% clear about what you need to do, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIYBlinds a call so we can help.
Hello again. Now, as I've said before, I'm a guitar expert, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert, which is why DIYBlinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to install your Roman blinds with a cord and cleat. I know my cords, but I don't know my cleats. But I reckon it shouldn't be too hard to play this one. Evenly space out the brackets. The longer edge will fix to the architrave or wall. Measure and mark when necessary, and then drill one hole per bracket, like this. If you've allowed for your blind to be mounted above the architrave, you'll need to install the bracket 20mm below the height you originally measured to accommodate for the headrail. Use the central hole in the bracket as it will allow for minor adjustments up and down. Speaking of minor, fun fact, minor notes are the sad notes in songs. But don't worry, it's nothing major. After drilling the holes, secure the brackets with the screws provided. Now position the blind like this. If you're installing multiple blinds side by side, ensure there's a 10mm gap between the blinds. You need to take care when lifting the Roman blinds to ensure that the headrail is fully supported at all times. Position the blind so it's sitting evenly on top of the brackets and central to the window. Whilst holding the headrail in place, start from the central bracket and screw upwards through the bracket directly into the headrail. Now you need to make your blind safe for children by installing your cleat. Fasten the cleat to the wall or frame using the screws provided. Cleats must be installed at least 1600mm above floor level, because a child is capable of unwinding a cord from a cleat. Congratulations, your beautiful new Roman blinds with cord and cleat should now be installed. Round of applause, please. Oh, you got your Roman blinds and your cord and cleats, and with DIYBlinds, nothing will be beat, no. If you feel like you're suffering from stage fright, just call us on 1300 918 390.